Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So let's talk about Cardano in this video. Let's do a quick video recap on Cardano technicals, talk about some of the events that are coming up in Cardano or anything that we need to be watching out for month of April, not March. Right now it's about 5:20 p.m. Eastern here in US. So let's talk about it. Right now I'm watching at this Cardano ADA to USD pair. Actually it's not a pair, the calculation is done by TradingView, and this data is coming from Binance. So the calculation is done through TradingView from the Binance data. Okay, so that being said, let's do a quick walkthrough of Cardano, and we can go all the way back to December time frame. So if you see in this December, around end of December, we had a huge breakthrough in Cardano. We went all the way up to about 50 cents, 50-60 cents, had minor pullback. Then we had another run early in January, right at beginning of the January, where it went all the way up to 140, almost 140 level, and since then it's been in this retracement mode with the overall market, and right now it's trading at about 15 cents. So if you see this, in the previous video that I made in Cardano, I was talking about this major resistance trend that's coming all the way from that early January, and it was creating this almost this falling wedge action, and I was talking about a breakout which did occur back in early March. Alright, and since then the overall market wasn't very supportive of it. Overall market condition weren't very supportive of follow through. So I mean the price action did break out of that falling wedge on the upside, but due to the overall market condition, it never had a good follow through. Alright, and what we are seeing right now is another wedge pattern that I'm seeing, and I'm seeing there might be a breakout that will come within next day or two in Cardano. The reason I'm saying that is if this pinch action is coming right now, and it's getting tighter and tighter. So within next couple of days, I'm pretty comfortable saying that there will be some kind of breakout that will occur in Cardano. Now the question is, can it have a follow through? Let's say if there's a breakout that occurs on the upside, can it have a follow through and make a run toward 20 cents? I mean, that's really have to, if the overall market conditions are better and improving, then I can definitely see that happening. But if the overall market conditions are not improving, then it might not reach those target points. So if that breakout occurs, then my first target point will be around 20 cents, and then follow-up target will be around 25 cents. All right, right underneath 25 cents. So this is the previous low. That will be my second target in Cardano. But again, for that scenario to fully take its place, it needs to have that follow through break and overall positive market conditions. If the breakout occurs on the downward side out of this wedge, then I expect Cardano to not sell off. It will come to around 12 cents. 12 cents is still very good support in Cardano. But if you see that right now Cardano is trading at almost that December price range. Back in December, Cardano was trading around 12 to 15 cents, and that's the range that it is trading right now. So on the downward side, I see tremendous value in Cardano if it comes to further low. Let's say if it comes to 12 cents or 10 cents, there is a good value in Cardano, because you're picking up Cardano at that December time frame, and this is one of the coins that have a lot of good technical team and support behind it. All right, the one thing on the fundamental that I really want to cover and want to talk about right now is their roadmap. So if you come to coincheckup.com and come to events, take a look at the, I like looking at the events tab, because that gives you like what is coming up in that coin or in that particular project in the upcoming months. All right, so for Cardano on April 4th, in a couple of days, they have the updated roadmap that they will be posting on their website. So I will be very curious to see what kind of updates they have to their roadmap. Is the crypto community taking positive things out of it, or if it's like, are they pushing the project back? So those are the things that you want to see. And so as I said, this roadmap time frame and the the couple of days of this breakout might occur like at the same exact time. So if when I say a couple of days, there will be some kind of breakout that aligns exactly with this roadmap update on their website. So that's why I feel like I feel more comfortable saying that there will be some kind of movement in Cardano, whether on the upside or downside. I mean, obviously I'm a little bit more biased on the upside, just because I feel there is a more value in this coin than what it's trading at. And second of all, I think it has been drastically sold off throughout this last 3 months, and the bears in this coin, or like people who wanted to sell out of Cardano, have been gone, and the remaining ones are pretty strong hand, and they will remain in Cardano for longer, because they are almost in that December time frame right now. So we'll have to find out how that will pan out, but that's just a probability, right? So probability, the odds are in the favor, I would say slightly in favors of bull right now. It's creating this lower base type of pattern, but again, I want to reiterate this fact. It really, the market condition, overall the crypto market condition, will dictate how is this breakout will occur, what kind of volume that will bring in. And if you see the volume on the downside started increasing, that tells you that people who want to get out of Cardano, they're out, and the selling pressure is decreasing, and that is a good sign for the bulls. All right. On top of that, you have this roadmap update coming up in the next couple of days. So there's an imminent break up or even down that will occur in Cardano. All right. So on the upside, there are some resistance level that we should be mindful of. On the upside, 0.167 will be one of the resistance that we need to overcome. 0.18 and then 0.20. That will be the first target. 0.20 is the first target in Cardano. All right, and then you have the second target. I think is going to be around 0.25 cents. You have the moving average, 50-day moving average, that will act as a resistance. So that's my second target in Cardano on the upward side. That might take some time, and obviously the price condition, or the market condition, needs to be positive in order to have that second target hit. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to have this quick video review for Cardano, and let you know that there will be a breakout coming fairly soon in next couple of days in Cardano. I'm a little bit more biased on the upside, just because I feel like the selling pressure has been decreasing in Cardano, and the remaining ones will be the buyer. All right. Will be interesting to see what kind of roadmap update they have. That will also dictate a lot of things from the fundamental side. If they are pushing back on any of the project, I mean, if that's the case, then there might be a downward effect on the price action. So we will have to just wait and see. And it will happen in next 48 hours. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, any other coins that you want me to cover. As usual, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bell icons so you get this content right away. If you think these videos are helpful for your trading in crypto and with your investing in crypto, then please give me thumbs up. That really do mean a lot. All right, so I will talk to you soon, cover a couple of more altcoins today. Thank you.